Communication.
3. Listen to the recording. Ask and answer the questions.
What are we going to do tomorrow evening?
How about going to the City Opera? There's an interesting program on there tomorrow.
What kind of program is it, Mai?
Well, I've got a program blurb here.
Would you like to have a look, Anna?
Yeah, let's see. Ah, Tchaikovsky's Swan Lake. A ballet with many well-known Vietnamese actors and actresses. Well, it seems cool.
The performers are prominent and talented artists in our country.
Look at this singer. She looks charming and passionate, right?
Yeah, she is.
Who is the handsome guitarist?
Ha Long, one of the leading guitarists of pop music.
So, I'll get the tickets for all of us, right?
Okay, thanks, Mai.
1. Listen and say the name of the song. Then read the texts and do the tasks that follow.
Ngày hội năm xưa em kiến anh tới một con đò, em gửi miếng trầu thương nhớ để mùa sau anh nhớ lại sang. Trầu em tên mang ba tình nghĩa, thắm đỏ thắm qua những mùa đông để mùa xuân tươi đẹp nắng hồng trầu quan họ em lại chờ anh.
3. Listen to the music. Ask and answer the following questions.